When do you wake up again? Like 9?
Yeah, basically. Good
Jeez,
morning,
okay.
everybody. Good morning. How's it going? I got Dylan with me because it's Friday. Fridays with Dylan.
That is
That's
the
what we
deal.
do. Yeah.
Yep. What's up? Just
Hello,
having.
Nathaniel. Quinn. Is that Zerb?
Are you sipping on your oat milk, caramel, whatever the hell thing?
What'd you
Or not
say?
yet? I said, are you sipping on your oat milk,
Oh, no,
caramel,
not yet.
whatever?
I like to have
First
that
thing
as
today.
afternoon coffee drink.
Afternoon?
Oh, yeah.
Like
Yep.
what time?
Usually around like 2 or so. Maybe 1
Jeez.
to 3. I mean, I could
You
drink
know,
a full cup of coffee before bed and it would have no effect.
yes, it does.
No, no, I mean like I could still fall asleep just the same.
I mean, you could, but it would still affect your sleep.
Yeah, maybe a little bit, but caffeine doesn't really do a whole lot to me. It's more like I just feel exhausted and then I'm just slightly less tired instead of getting like a
Do you know what the
caffeine
half life
buzz.
of caffeine is?
No.
It is 12 hours. So if you have
Dang.
caffeine at 2 p.m., then you'll still have caffeine in your system at 2 a.m.
My body's just too powerful.
I mean, maybe, but I have like tea right when I wake up, which sounds like the most pussy thing, but it's healthier. So, and I'm all about health. So,
Oh yeah.
black tea before the gym, and then that's my only caffeine.
Yeah. I mean, I used to have coffee at 5 sometimes when I'd get home from work.
Jeez.
And I'd still
Yeah,
go to bed at the same time.
gotcha. I mean, if it works, it works.
Yeah. Yeah, one time I had a coffee with like 5 espresso shots and felt nothing. Was hoping it would give me that coffee buzz that people always talk about, but nope, too
I mean,
powerful.
I barely feel anything from it anymore because I would always take a pre-workout before the gym, which has like 300
Oh yeah,
milligrams of caffeine.
yeah.
So yeah, no, I don't feel like all jittery taking caffeine. I just don't feel like crap, which I will if I don't take it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Well, it's shooting up at the open. Hopefully it
It is
keeps going
indeed.
that way.
Been going down for a few days, so
Yeah. We had the
I mean,
big
I'm
rise
always
and then
like,
it did nothing and then dropped.
I'll like glance at the 30-minute chart before the training day just to like see what's been happening. I always think like, we've been going down. Maybe we'll keep going down, but maybe we'll keep going up. So I mean, that
Yeah.
doesn't tell me anything.
Yeah,
I don't
exactly.
know. I can't predict the future.
Based on this chart, I've concluded that we might go down, but we might go up. It's
Exactly.
also
Yeah,
possible that we go sideways.
it is indeed. Just gotta make the best guess.
Yeah. Perry, I'll turn that up a little bit. Hopefully that sounds better. All right.
You always got me too quiet.
I know it's always something.
I took your advice. I have my mic much closer to my mouth. I don't know if that makes a difference or not, but I think it sounds slightly better.
Yeah, it usually does. That helps a lot.
Cool, cool. Yeah,
That's a
I
tip
had
for
it like
anyone listening too.
really low, so it wasn't showing on camera just because I felt like I looked nicer. But I mean, audio quality is probably more important.
Yeah. That's a
Jeez,
tip
found a
for anyone.
single red candle.
Oh boy. Yeah, I'm not touching anything
Interesting
for a bit.
stuff. Very close to the high day as well.
Yes.
Interesting. Yeah, I'm gonna give it another minute or two.
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna take a look at my notes real quick. Oh, I gotta.
How long is your notes now?
There's like 6 things. I
Okay,
I got it down
that's
quite a
not bad.
bit. Yeah. I do need to start my YouTube video though, with the bell playing every 3 minutes. Reminds me to look at my notes every time it goes off.
Oh, I didn't know you did that. I think no, I think I remember you mentioning that. That's
Yeah,
interesting.
it's very helpful. At least it eliminates the problem of just completely forgetting to look at the notes. Of course, you also have to follow the notes.
Yeah.
Not just look at them.
I think following rules over anything is my new conclusion.
Yep. If I lose 3 trades in a row, I'm done for the day. If it hits minus 300 or beyond that.
That's pretty.
It's very small, but I don't. It's good for the way I do it. Trying to go slow and steady.
We trade slightly differently.
Yeah, definitely.
Slightly bigger moves. So
yeah, you have much bigger swings, much higher profit days, sometimes higher losses. Although right now it's more like you have higher profit days and I have bigger losses. So I need to follow my rules.
Past week we went like reverse modes. You
yeah.
stolen my freaking problem of trading and then recording an outro and then
yeah. What the heck?
And I've done the opposite. I've eliminated that problem, but I don't know.
Mm-hmm. I need chat to yell at me.
I'll yell at you.
Help me out. Thank you. Maybe I'll hire someone to stand behind me.
Yeah. Good idea.
Yeah, and just put me in a chokehold as soon as minus 300 hits.
That'll definitely do it. can't trade if you're unconscious.
That's right.
I shouldn't have hesitated there. I was gonna buy, and it went right up.
Oh.
That's okay. Because now it's going back down.
This looks like some good action.
Yeah, definitely. I've had such a bad cough for like weeks, so if I randomly just start yakking, then I apologize.
That's okay.
Probably get it checked out. I've been like coughing so much for like a month.
Yeah, that's probably not a good thing.
Yeah, I guess not.
Maybe you're too healthy. Need more ice cream and
I know
processed
that's why
foods.
It annoys me because I'm like try to be so healthy, yet I've been like sick for like a month, and then like what the hell? That shouldn't happen.
Yeah. I'm just gonna keep on being patient. Price action like this where, I don't know, it almost looks easy, is typically where I do extremely bad. So I need to wait for it to come down.
Yeah,
mega. Go ahead.
Oh, nothing. I was just gonna say I took 2 trades already.
Yeah.
No, I took 3 trades already. I'm in a 3rd trade.
Direction like this is just my weakness, I guess. Better at consolidation. Which I guess it makes sense. Alright, I gotta go talk to my cat. 1 sec.
Oh, of course, yeah. Damn, what do you think he says to his cat? Do you think the cat talks back? That'd be pretty cool. Isn't trading just funny? We're all just sitting here playing a video game every day trying to make a living out of it. Or am I the only one that thinks like that? I don't know. Should have took a trade there. I keep hesitating. Gosh darn it. How was your convo with the cat? Oh, is he not back? Oh, well, that's awkward.
Hello?
Oh, hello. How was your conversation?
She's not very good at listening because she's deaf, but you know, we try.
Oh, well, you good at talking?
Yeah, loves to talk. Very bad at listening.
Oh, perfect. All right. Well, at least you can do one of the two.
Yeah. Lots of one-way conversations with that cat.
Good stuff.
Oops. Volatility has died down quite a bit.
A little bit, but still
Yeah.
readable, I think.
I'm going to go to a 30-second chart.
What the hell?
Artificially increase ATR.
I've never switched off 20 seconds ever.
Yeah, it's an idea I thought of at some point. I don't know when. Add a little bit more time to the candles. Suddenly the candles are bigger. Match ATR to what you like.
That is true.
If price action is price action to a certain extent. You know what I mean?
Have I ever showed you my cat?
I don't think so.
He's insane. He like flies and talks a lot. It's pretty gnarly.
Never met a flying
Like
cat before.
No, I'm so serious. So I have like a normal like 2-story suburban house with like a roof and 2 stories, you can imagine, right?
Yeah.
We don't know how, but he somehow gets on top of our house, like probably about like 50 feet up in the air, like the very
Oh my
top
God.
of the roof. And he'll be like meowing and screaming from up there.
That's funny.
My theory is just secretly like Superman and flies up there.
It's probably true.
Yeah, it's funny. Damn weird. Not doing much of anything right now.
Yeah, I'm resisting the urge to go for the high of day break.
I'm resisting the urge to short at the high of day.
Although I guess I still could have gone long and then just not put the profit target above it because I would have got my points there.
I feel like a lot of times it'll like go towards the high of day, be like a couple points away, and then come back. So
yeah,
usually, I mean, depends how it's moving, but like right now, I wouldn't target a break the high of day just because it's moving so slowly.
Yeah, I might short.
I might if it goes up a little more.
I'm just watching.
I think a short makes sense there.
Looking good.
Short did make sense there.
Very nice.
Yeah, I feel like that's kind of the part of the like intuition part you just gain from like trading for so long. Like most people would think it's going towards the high day, it's gonna keep going up, but you kind of can sense if it's gonna like bounce off of it or break it.
Yeah.
At least sometimes. I don't know. Jesus, this is like boring. No direction at all besides the first 3 minutes, which, I mean, neither of us really trade the first 3 minutes, right?
Yeah.
So that's fun.
I did short for a sec, and then I moved the stop loss in, and I would have just gotten ticked out. So that's good. Good stop loss moving.
Is that sarcasm?
No, it was good.
That good.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I couldn't. I was like trying to decipher what you just said. All right, nice. Well, exciting candles today, eh?
I know.
You haven't taken any trades?
Just one.
Oh, just the
Small
one
loser.
that was
Yeah.
like break even. Gotcha. Do I want to do it again? I don't know. I guess I
Whoa.
should have shorted again. I was debating, but I didn't feel like it. I don't know.
I did short, but I sort of regret it. Maybe I'll get lucky. Just the stop loss and profit target based on the price section was a lot bigger than I thought it would be. Oh, target filled.
Very nice. Yeah, I should have done it again. Oh well.
Oh my god, my cat is screaming. 1 sec.
Well, just you and me again, guys. Candles, eh?
Going on the perch. There you go. Look out the window.
I can hear Iman talking to his cat in the background.
There you go.
Jesus, this is the slowest price action ever, though.
Target neutralized.
I thought that already happened.
No, I mean my cat.
Oh, your cat. Oh, Jesus. Gotcha. You've neutralized the cat.
Yep. Never mind, she's leaving.
I could hear you like talking to her in the background. And we finally broke it.
That's a big candle. Who did that?
Down, Jesus.
Man, that's a scary looking candle. Okay, she's back out and yelling.
I think that's a great trade.
Look at that little hive day break and then bang. Did you take a big short?
No, I didn't. I bought
big long.
Big long. Because
the big long.
That makes sense.
Second movie.
Took a big long, and it's almost there.
I'm gonna hedge you by shorting.
Oh, you bastard!
Just kidding.
Well, it wouldn't have worked out.
Nice. Did the mic pick that up? Can you hear my cat?
Yes, I can.
That's what she does. She goes out there and just yells.
Oh no, my cat's even worse. Oh, I didn't even. So since my cat gets up on the roof and my room's on like the second level of the house, my cat will fly up to the roof somehow, and then it'll be like nighttime. Like I'll be trying to go to sleep. It'll be like 10 p.m. She'll literally knock on my window and yell from outside.
That's so funny.
It is. I mean, It's funny, but it's annoying. I'm trying to sleep. The first time he ever did it was like years ago. I don't think I've felt more intense fear in my entire
I
life.
bet.
Imagine someone just knocking on your window on the second story house when you're trying to
Oh,
go to sleep. I shit myself. But then I just heard a meow and I was like, what the hell?
that's so
And it was
funny.
just my cat on the roof. Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna be done with trading. I I don't know. I was a little distracted. I certainly could have taken a few more trades, but at the same time, I don't like trading when it sort of stays at the top or bottom, so I'm fine with how I did.
Yeah, for sure.
I assume you've got a few more minutes.
I'm in a
If
trade
it
right
looks
now.
good. Okay.
That's probably my last one because nothing,
Yeah.
nothing really is happening.
All
Not
right.
too much.
2 trades, 1 small loss when I lost complete faith in it working, which was a good move. Honestly, could have moved it even closer. But in the back of my head, I was thinking about what people would say if it hit the stop and then went to the profit target, which is bad. I shouldn't let public comments influence my trades. But you know, a lot of times that feedback actually helps. So did that, and then second trade shorted. Probably could have had a slightly better entry, and there were 6 point intervals at the time, and I was targeting 5 points. And when I submitted the order, the brackets looked a little too big for what I was wanting, but it just happened to work out. Survived the day in price action that I don't do super well in, so I'm fine with that. That's all I have to do. Slow and steady. Don't need to rush. Consistency first, and then achieve the bigger numbers by sizing up. That's how I'll do that. Sizing up is a long ways away, though. Maybe even a year. Maybe not. Probably, though. When you say points, is that per one actual point, or the... So there are 4 ticks in a point. Let me zoom in so we can look at this a little bit better. A little too much. Let me fix that. So it's actually 1 point. Can I count?
Hell, I'm moving
All right.
like crazy.
So from here to here is 1 tick. It's a 0.25 increment. 4 ticks and 1 point. 1 point on the NASDAQ is $20 for NQ. But if you go to MNQ, it's $2 a point. I like to measure the profit and loss in terms of points instead of dollar amounts because you can always size up or size down. It's not really... The amount of money you make is sort of irrelevant. It's more about the points, because 10 points on MNQ isn't quite as impressive as 10 points on NQ, and besides the psychological pressure, both are still great achievements and good trading. What bracket size am I using? Today I went with a 5-point stop and a 5-point profit target. Although you'll see that sometimes I move them just a tiny bit, but I try not to move the profit target too much because usually that just results in dumb trades that are influenced by the part of the brain that wants a big winner instead of the rational thinking part that takes a trade based on what's most likely to happen next. Great job, Quack. Plus 10 for you. Fantastic. Yeah, my cat is deaf. Max daily loss today for you, Jack. Sorry to hear that. Hopefully you can learn some valuable lessons that make you better in the long run. Short-term suffering for long-term prosperity. That's what I like to say. What I've been trying is what I saw you do in your vids where you kept moving up your stop loss as trades went up. Yeah, Sam, that works well sometimes and sometimes it doesn't. When price is consolidating a lot, it's usually a bad idea to move that stop loss because it needs a little bit of wiggle room to go back and forth to your profit target. You know, if you're trading like a ridiculous risk reward ratio in consolidation, you'll just get destroyed. That works better in very directional moves, chasing with the stop loss when it just keeps going somewhere. Right here in this little action, actually just everything after this candle, moving the stop loss wouldn't be such a good idea. But here, where you can just keep sort of chasing it up, that's when it does work. But these conditions are atypical. Most price action is not going to be one humongous clear move. So it all just depends on the day.
All right, I'm done now. I was like hyper focused for a few minutes.
How'd you do?
Because I did all right. I was up a little more, but ended on a winning trade. 12 points for me.
Very nice. Very nice.
Not too bad. Better than yesterday.
Achieved responsibly.
Yes, very, very responsibly. Didn't gamble or do anything gnarly.
Very nice.
I want to like keep trading though. Volatility keeps going higher.
I know. Yeah.
Hypothetically, I would hypothetically buy at 34 and target 41. Hypothetical trade. I didn't place it.
And where's your stop?
My stop loss is at 28. So 6 points for 7 points.
Oh. Did you get it? Oh, you did. It went just to 41. There you go. Very nice.
Well, so now I feel like a dumbass. I should have placed it. Whatever.
Yeah, we gotta draw the line somewhere.
You're right.
Or at least I do. I don't know. There's probably some people out there who could trade for like 2 hours straight. It's hard for me to imagine that, but I don't know. Maybe.
Not drawing the line for a few weeks, and it drove me a little insane.
Yeah.
As you know, so.
Yes.
Rules I will stick by.
Mm-hmm. All right, I'll probably end it there unless anybody in chat has anything to say. Make sure to check out Dylan's channel, documenting his journey to eventual profitability, just like me. Transparency.
Yep. Let me look at the chat. I haven't looked at it once.
Oh, I'll do a little recap. Plus 3.25 points for me. Small day. I'm fine with that. I was a little bit distracted because my cat was yelling, but at the same time, I try not to. Well, this price action is previously where I would be destroyed, so I'm happy with that.
Yeah, I'm surprised we both did well. This is like crap to trade.
I like trading in the middle and not at tops. But when it was sort of consolidating like this, I just tried to ignore that we were at the high of day, and that was a good decision to make. Just 2 trades.
Your stream is not loading for me, but I guess you're about to end it anyway.
Yeah. The evaluation balance is now at 50,987. So however many points that is. I don't know. How many points is in 1,000? 50?
50. Almost halfway there.
Yep. That's good.
Good stuff.
Slow and steady. I would really like to pass this evaluation. That would be cool.
The thing is, though, I mean, maybe I'm not like be a downer, but like I feel like whenever, inevitably we're gonna pass an evaluation, there's definitely a good chance we fail the.
I know.
Forget it.
I've thought about that. Yeah. That's
like,
okay.
That's what I was saying about the one I was about to pass. I definitely would have gotten that live account and paid my whatever $100-something fee just to fail it.
Yeah.
My brain was not in the right place.
Mm-hmm.
So, but I mean, we'll deal with those problems when we get there. We gotta pass it first.
Yeah, honestly, I'm not gonna be it once I eventually pass. I'm not gonna really have even any pressure on myself because it's not like when I get funded, I'm immediately gonna release a video that's like, "Oh, I'm now consistently profitable,
Yeah,
and everything I
I think the
say you should
only
follow."
I think the only pressure is though once you get that live account, it's back at 50K, so you have to really
Yeah,
be conservative because you have a
super
1250 going
disciplined.
down again.
Right.
Once you get above that, once you're at like 5300 or something, you're pretty chilling though.
Yeah, I'm not gonna do any goblin mode on the
Of
funded
course not.
account. Hard to
All right,
resist
another
on a.
hypothetical trade at 29. Targeting or selling at 29.
All right, I'm going long at 25 with a stop loss 10,000 points below that and 6 points above.
I think that trade will not win.
You don't think so? You think it's
No.
going to go 10,000 points down before it goes 6 points up?
Yeah, I think just the entire economy is gonna crash today, and the Nasdaq will go to the toilet.
Yeah.
Stop loss hypotheticals at 34. Okay, that trade would have lost. Good thing
Whoa,
I didn't take it. See?
that's right. All right.
Yeah, no, I'm done.
I'll end the stream there. Go check out Dylan's channel, Dylan Futures Trading. Watch his stuff. And have a
Yeah,
good
what
weekend.
he said. Adios.
Yeah. All right. Bye bye. Thank you very much, everybody. Appreciate you. Bye bye.